Welcome again. This is our CRE lesson. To start this CRE lesson, I want to tell you a very simple story that is actually short. There was once this boy called Mark. Mark was a very happy boy. He used to be bright at school and used to live with his parents. His parents used to provide for him everything he wanted. When it was birthday parties, they could provide for him, and used to enjoy all the birthday parties, used to invite his friends. When it was going to work, to go for a movie, he used to go and he used to enjoy that life. But to cut this story short, his parents died. When the parents died, Mark lacked all these things, and Mark became a very sad boy in his life. He could not enjoy all the other privileges he used to enjoy when his parents were there. Ladies and gentlemen, why did I bring this story? This story leads us to what I want us to learn today, which is none other than joy and sorrow in life. I repeat, joy and sorrow in life. And today we are going to basically look at joy. And for sorrow, Miss Julie is going to teach you about that. But today, I just want us to talk about joy. Now, sometimes in life we feel joy. And other times in life we also feel sorrow. Whenever we feel joy, we are so enlightened. We are so happy. We have smiles, okay? But when we have sorrow, we have a frown face. We are so sad, all right? So let's talk about joy. What is joy? One can ask that question. So joy, I have here what I have about joy, the definition I have about joy rather. What is joy? So we shall say, joy is a feeling of great happiness because something good has happened. Joy is a feeling of great happiness because something is good has happened. Let me ask a question. How do you feel when you're happy? You'll answer, you'll give me that question you give me that answer to that question in the comments. Quickly, I want us to look at ways how we can feel joy, or what we call times of joy. Times of joy. Now, in life we feel joy. And what shows that we feel joy? Some of the examples I have here indicates the situations when we feel joy. For instance, we have here at birth of a baby, the parents feel a lot of joy when they give birth to a newborn baby. I'm very sure they knew when they gave birth to you, mommy and daddy were so happy. We also have, after passing exams, this one you can bear me witness. When you pass an exam and you get 95 and above, you feel so happy. On seeing a person you have not seen for a very long time. You miss someone, then you see that person, you feel a lot of joy. Then you also have during festivals and many others. Others are when you go for a trip, you feel joy. When watching games, you feel joy. Being elected, for you who want to become leaders, for instance, prefects, when they elect you, you feel a lot of joy. And when you're in a party, that leads us to activities that show that we have joy, or activities that we engage ourselves in during the time of joy. For example, we sing when we are in joy. We sing a lot. I, for one, I sing because of joy. We also have dancing. People dance because they have joy. People also visit places. They watch also movies in the movie cinemas and many others. Ladies and gentlemen, as I wind up with this, we are going to give you the notes. You'll go through the notes still, then you answer the activity that we are going to provide to you. Otherwise, for now, this is what we have about joy. We are yet to give you more work about Jesus Christ, how he felt joy and sorrow in life. Then we shall talk about also Lent, and we shall wind up this topic on joy and sorrow. For now, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching me, and I hope you'll do the activity. Stay blessed. Thank you.